Come along with us as we explore Tirana Lake, an oasis of tranquility and beauty in the heart of Tirana, Albania. One of the best things about Tirana Lake is the beautiful walking path that circles around it. Whether you prefer to walk, run, ride your bike, or take a leisurely ride on the train, there's something for everyone here. After a fun stroll or bike ride, why not take a break at one of the amazing cafés along the lake? You can enjoy a delicious meal, sip on a coffee, refresh with a fresh smoothie, or indulge in your favorite adult beverage while taking in the stunning views. Another wonderful aspect of Tirana Lake is the opportunity to meet new people from around the world. Engaging in amazing conversations with fellow travelers and locals can be a truly enriching experience. You never know who you will meet on your travels. We met two amazing guys while strolling in the park who made us Turkish tea and coffee from their copper samovar. They also made us a traditional mixture of tahini and honey molasses that we dip pieces of bread in. The experience will be a memory for a lifetime. As always, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel and adventure content with Love Happy Adventure. And as always, keep exploring and creating your happy place.